Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get more followers on Bluesky. So let's get started. So basically, there's some stuff you need to know. And the first of all is, so you need to post at least once daily to maintain an active profile. And you need to try some different content such as text or even images or videos, and the visual content tends to attract more engagement. And also using the hashtags tends to help you a lot with the reach. So you want to include at least 3 or 2 relevant hashtags within the post, using the popular hashtags, ensuring relevant to the conversation, and also create a brand hashtag to post engagement. And also I need to choose a unique handled and engagement profile. Like you need to put a cool profile picture. You need to put in a relevant bio with a good choice of the keywords to reflect your interest. And you can also leave a link of your bio, including the other platform that you use. And also you need to engage with others, like making reposts and likes and comments, so you can show on others' feed as well. And also share the things that you're interested in and the things that encourage the audience to respond to you. And on the top of that, you need to make sure that you follow accounts that align with your interest as well. And then you have the leverage Bluesky custom feeds, and you can basically create your experience by joining niche communities through a custom feed. And you basically need to post in a relevant feed to increase visibility and the amount of target audience that you want. And you might need to collaborate with other creators as well, and also promote your profile on others' platforms such as Instagram and Twitter and etc. So yeah, that was the video for today. I hope it helps you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.